If you're on Medicare and watching your Social Security check shrink from that monthly deduction, this video is specifically for you, not for everyone on the internet. For people in that exact situation, wondering if you're paying what you're actually supposed to pay. Every month, the standard Medicare Part B premium, $202.90 in 2026, confirmed by CMS, gets pulled from your Social Security before you see it. Most people accept that as a permanent fact of being on Medicare. It does not have to be. There are 3 federal programs that pay that premium for you. One of them doesn't just cover the premium. It eliminates every deductible, copayment, and co-insurance charge Medicare would normally send you. The reason most people who qualify aren't enrolled has nothing to do with eligibility. It has to do with where you apply. These programs aren't run by Social Security. They aren't run by Medicare. They're run by your state Medicaid office. And no one calls you. Today we're walking through 5 cost areas where seniors overpay every income threshold, program name, and the exact action step for each one. The most important program, the one that can eliminate your Medicare costs entirely, is the last one we cover. I want you to understand everything first. The connection between these programs is the part no other video explains. Quick context, this is for you. S, adults on Medicare, especially anyone over 60. Everything shared today comes from official sources, the official Medicare website, the Social Security Administration, CMS, and reporting from AARP and NCOA. This is educational content only, not personalized financial or Medicare advice. Talk to a free SHIP counselor before making any decisions. The reason most seniors overpay isn't carelessness. Official guidance is scattered across agencies. Income limits update yearly. And no program mails you a reminder. We start with number 5. Have you ever applied for these programs or assumed you earned too much? Drop a yes or no in the comments. Number 5 is LIHEAP, the Low Income Home Energy Assistance Program. It pays your utility company directly for heating and cooling costs, not a discount on your bill. An actual payment from the program to your gas or electric provider on your behalf. Federal funding, $4.05 billion for 2026. Here's what makes this different. The funding is first come, first served. Each state gets an allocation. When it runs out, it closes until next year. If you're 60 or older, you get priority in most states, meaning you can apply before the general public window opens. In California, it runs year-round. Pause and write down 211. That's the National Social Services line available in every state. Call it, and they'll connect you to your LIHEAP office. 2 connected programs are worth knowing. The Weatherization Assistance Program, $329 million for 2026, sends a contractor to insulate and repair your home. You don't have to choose between LIHEAP and weatherization. You can apply for both through the same local community. Action Office. The next program targets a completely different income level and involves a 2-year delay that catches retirees off guard every single year. Number 3 is IRMAA, the Income-Related Monthly Adjustment Amount. If your 2024 income exceeded $109,000 single or $218,000 joint, you're paying a surcharge. Per Kiplinger's 2026 IRMAA bracket analysis, total Part B premiums with IRMAA range from $284.10 all the way to $689.90 per month. Here's what makes this unfair. Medicare uses your tax return from 2 years earlier. If you retired in 2024 and your income dropped, you're still paying. The fix is Form SSA-44. This form exists for people who had a qualifying life event retirement, income reduction, death of a spouse, divorce, or property loss. File it, show your current income, and the surcharge gets recalculated or eliminated. You have 60 days from your IRMAA notice to file the appeal. Pause here. The form is SSA-44 Download it from the Social Security Administration website. You have 60 days from the date of the notice. Before the final two programs, let me share a story that captures what I hear in comments on every video, like this one. Carol is 68, a retired teacher in Ohio. Widowed. Living on about $1,500 a month in Social Security, and has owned her home for 22 years. Carol paid the full Medicare Part B premium since age 65. She assumed she made too much to qualify because she owned property. 3 years passed. Then a free SHIP counselor reviewed her income. Carol qualified for the SLMB program, which would have covered her premium for all 3 years. The application took 20 minutes. NCOA and MACPAC estimate 30 to 40% of people who qualify for Medicare Savings Programs aren't enrolled because they never applied. Have you ever called your county assessor about a senior property tax exemption? Drop a yes or no in the comments. The next program is number 1. Every state has a program that reduces, freezes, or partially eliminates property taxes for eligible senior homeowners' savings from hundreds to thousands per year. AARP confirms these exemptions exist across all 50 states, but none are automatic. The county assessor doesn't apply your discount when you turn 65. For 2026, several states updated programs. New York raised the exemption to 65% of assessed value. Texas expanded homestead exemptions. Illinois raised the freeze cap. Search your county name or call your county assessor directly. One application. Savings continue every year. We're halfway through. And the two programs still to come are the most interlinked. One application unlocks both. That's the piece most videos never explain. Number 4 is Extra Help, also called the Low Income Subsidy, run by the Social Security Administration. It caps your prescription drug costs. With Extra Help, you pay no more than $5.10 per generic drug and $12.65 per brand name each fill. After $2,100 out of pocket, covered meds are free. The SSA estimates the average annual value of Extra Help at $5,700 per enrolled person. The 2026 income limit is $23,475 single. $31,725 for a married couple. Here's what most people miss if you qualify for any Medicare savings program. You're automatically enrolled in Extra Help. No separate application required. That connection means the next program, number 2, isn't just about the Part B premium. It's the gateway to both premium relief and prescription relief. Number 1, the program that can eliminate not just the premium, but every Medicare charge your provider would send you. This is what we've been building toward. It's called the Medicare Savings Program, but it's not one program. It's 3, each designed for a different income level, each covering different costs. The first tier is QMB, Qualified Medicare Beneficiary. Monthly income up to $1,350 single, $1,824 married. It covers Part A and B premiums, deductibles, copays. Every Medicare charge you'd normally pay is eliminated. By law, providers are prohibited from billing you for cost sharing when you have QMB. The second tier is SLMB, Specified Low-Income Medicare Beneficiary. Income up to $1,616 single, $2,184 married. SLMB pays the Part B premium $202.90 monthly. The third tier is QI, Qualifying Individual. Income up to $1,816 single, $2,455 married. QI also covers the Part B premium. But funding is limited and first come. You must reapply for QI every year. It does not auto-renew. 3 programs. QMB up to $1,350, SLMB up to $1,616, QI up to $1,816 per month single. Qualifying for any of the 3 also triggers automatic Extra Help enrollment for prescriptions. One application filed at your state Medicaid office activates both. To apply, your state Medicaid office Not Social Security, not Medicare. Find yours through the official Medicare website or call the Medicare helpline. The application is free. States have 45 to 90 days to process it. In some states, benefits can be retroactive up to 3 months if you're approved. Let's close the loops. We opened with the question, am I paying more than I have to? For many watching, the answer is yes, because you apply through Medicaid. 3 separate income tiers exist with different coverage levels. And qualifying for any tier also activates extra help for your prescriptions. For someone who qualifies for QMB, no Part B premium, no deductibles, no copays, no coinsurance, and drug copays capped at $5.10 generic, $12.65 brand name. One application filed in the right place activates all of it. For SLMB or QI, the premium alone over $2,400 annually comes off the table. The IRMAA group is different. If you're paying a surcharge based on income from a year with a one-time event, Form SSA-44 corrects it. The 60-day window is strict. LIHEAP and property tax exemptions round out the picture for lower income or homeowners. Neither applies automatically. Both require filing before windows close. Here's the full recap. Number 5, LIHEAP Energy Assistance, first come, first served. Dial 211. Seniors 60 plus get priority. Number 4, senior property tax exemptions exist in all 50 states. Not automatic. File at your county assessor's office. Check your state's deadline. Number 3, IRMAA Surcharge Appeal, Form SSA-44 filed with the Social Security Administration. 60 days from the notice. For anyone with a qualifying, life-changing event. Number 2, extra help for prescriptions. Income limit $23,475, single for 2026. Drug copays capped. Automatically activates with any Medicare Savings Program. Number 1, Medicare Savings Programs, 3 tiers. 3 income levels. Filed at your state Medicaid office. QMB eliminates all Medicare cost sharing. SLMB and QI cover the Part B premium. Qualifying activates extra help. Not one of these programs comes looking for you. 3, check your income against the thresholds and verify 2026 limits on Medicare. Gov. 2, contact your state Medicaid office and request an application. 1, talk to a free SHIP counselor before making enrollment changes. SHIP is available in every state at no charge. Medicare.gov has a SHIP locator. If you know someone on Medicare who's been paying the full premium and has never heard of QMB, SLMB, or QI, please share this video with them. One conversation can change someone's monthly budget for years. If you want the next level how IRMAA surcharge tiers work and how to plan around them, that's next.